Good morning, everybody. On this Sunday morning we have a tune-up report on a Galaxy 2547. This is for Mr. B in North Carolina. Did a little modification for him. Put a few switches back there. And then we give you a nice chart to show you where all the different frequencies are. When you throw the switch, it changes and goes to other frequencies. Alright. Here's what we got. Over here on the 0 to 10 watt scale, got a 5 watt carrier. Turn all the way down, it's just under a watt, 3/4 of a watt. Turn it down a little bit. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. Audio. This is my peak reading meter. It has a 50 watt slug in it. So looking at the middle scale where it says 30, 40, 50. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. Damn feedback. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. 1, 2. You know, it's side band. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 25 watts. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. Audio. I can tune it anyway. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Damn, I'm a lousy cameraman.
Hello, Bassmaster.
I'm going to use this chart now. I want to go to 26. Let's say 915. We'll go to channel 24, up and down. One up, one down. Channel 24. This 26915. Look at that more than today.